Hey everyone, and welcome back to ICO Investor. In this video, we're going to be covering the Evo Surfers project. We'll be covering its utility, community, and team behind the project, so stay till the end of the video to get all the juicy details. Before I get started, this video is not financial advice. This video is just meant for education and information purposes only. Now let's dive into it. Now here is the Evo Surfers website. And just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there. So first things first, what exactly is the Evo Surfers project about? So Evo Surfers is a fantasy-based metaverse world themed around the evolution of civilizations. They do have their own game where players participate in the progress, technological innovation, and gradual development into a cosmic race. And of course, this project also has their own Evo token where players are allowed to create, own, and monetize their gaming experience with the Polygon blockchain. So looking at their white paper, they're actually going to have their own NFTs, which will play as in-game digital assets, and you can play them as avatars as well as have them as different characters, attributes, technology, and hard assets like different land and real estates as well. The game's NFTs are actually tradable in their inbuilt real-world marketplace, enabling them to have value beyond just the gaming environment. And remember their Evo token that we mentioned a little earlier, this will be used to acquire game assets, explore and expand the gaming world, and drive civilization and technological progress. So that's pretty much the basis of this project. It is centered around a game which includes NFTs and its own token where you will be able to play to earn and have NFTs as digital assets within the game. So that's what the project is really based around. Now within the game itself, here's a couple different attributes and features and accessibility points for players to start earning different tokens and advancing within the game. So after entering Evo Surfers, players can earn tokens by contributing to the game's ecosystem. Each Cha-Cha NFT character is the player's avatar. Players can operate the NFT avatar to participate in the game and improve their winning rate by upgrading the NFT and investing tokens to eventually break through the layers of obstacles and stand at the top of the universe level civilization. So owning one of their NFTs will actually give you access to the characters and avatars which you can then play in their game and just upgrade and advance through the leveling up in the game and fighting and just beating the levels overall. So in the game, the player himself is the participant and creator of the planetary civilization. And in the game, the player actually accumulates resources by working and adventuring within the levels in the game. And through their avatar's life in the game, players can accumulate and exchange assets to increase their income. The whole game process is full of opportunities and risks, so the timing and degree to which a player grasps them determine how much they will win. So over here, looking at some visuals of the actual gameplay, they have different levels and different options. So for the explore option, level 1, remote farm, and just a whole backstory of what you can go ahead and start exploring on, as well as jobs, different jobs where you can profit and receive some income through, like we just mentioned. And they also have technology and patents for different items and objects and weapons you can really collect. And once again, here are their avatars and the NFTs that you'll be able to use as characters in this game. So we know they have their Evo token, which is utilized in their game. So here is actually the token distribution for that. Now, Evo is a Polygon-based token with a total supply of 1 billion fixed. As you can see, for the public sale will be 2% allocated. Private investors get 15%. Team plus advisors will get 17%. The play to earn system will receive 51%. For marketing, they'll get 12.5%. And then treasury will receive 2.5%. Now here are some of the user roles where we can categorize Evo Surfers player and user roles into various types. Now there's core players that can earn tokens by completing various tasks and performing group PK in the game. There's stakers. DeFi users attracted to Evo Surfers can stake their Evo tokens to generate some passive income through. There's landowners where users can participate in NFT land auctions to acquire NFT land itself. And then there's NFT traders. So users can actually freely trade their NFTs on the trading platform using mainstream coins and cryptocurrencies. So from these different roles, we can really see that Evo Surfers has paid attention to building out a whole ecosystem. Their users can participate in DeFi, GameFi, the Metaverse, and NFTs. So there's a variety of options for the different users and holders of this project. Evo Surfers also has an ambassador program that they recently launched. The program is meant to find passionate individuals who are willing to actually contribute and expand the whole community and audience for the Evo Surfers project. Some of the tasks you'll be able to do is actually spread the word around diverse communities through channels like Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Reddit, or YouTube. You can create visual or written content to broaden awareness about their project and share announcements and news on social medias. There will also be specific tasks required for different types of ambassadors, such as moderating for their channels on Discord and Telegram, creating content for Evo Surfers on social media, sharing Evo Surfers on social media, and translating into your native language for promotion. Now, some of the rewards for becoming an ambassador are as follows. You'll be able to get NFT rewards or token incentives, receive peripheral rewards, access to offline conferences, get the latest information of Evo Surfers and GameFi, and gain recognition and exposure in the blockchain space for all of your content and events, and join the Evo Surfers community and build the Evo Surfers ecology together. So this is a great opportunity if you're interested in this project and want to earn some cool benefits through. It's quite simple. You just create content and push it out there on social media, online, and you can get paid out through these awesome rewards. Now, if you're interested in this, the link will actually be in the description below, and it'll take you to this form where you can fill out to become a Evo Surfers ambassador. You just put in some information and submit it, and they should get back to you to see if you're a right candidate. Now, here is the Evo Surfers Twitter page, and they almost have 10,000 followers organically, so that is pretty cool to see. The best civilization evolution play to earn game on the Polygon that combines DeFi plus GameFi plus the Metaverse. As you can see, they have links for their Discord and Telegram in their bio, so you're definitely going to want to join in on those communities as well and check them out. But scrolling throughout their Twitter, you can see that they're constantly updating their community with different announcements, such as this one as their pinned tweet, just showing off the rewards pool and how that will work for their total airdrop and whatnot. Different cool blog posts and announcements and just milestones, achievements, really updating their community. Also some memes, so some great engaging content overall. It's definitely a place you want to be if you're part of this project, because you're not going to want to miss out on their announcements and updates on Twitter, and you could really snag some cool stuff through their giveaways and whatnot. So great content over here. You're definitely going to give them a follow and also have those notifications turned on. So that was a quick detailed walkthrough of the Evo Surfers project. This project has really took the time to build out their ecosystem with DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and their NFTs. So this is a project you're definitely not going to want to miss out on, because there's a ton of possibilities and opportunities coming up in the future. So once again, make sure to check out the Evo Surfers project by clicking that link in the description below. And that's it for this video. Make sure to give us a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below any questions you might have had on this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the ICO Investor channel so you can keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.